Today I'm unboxing an MDAWoodwork custom wooden lightsaber. So this is a custom Luke Skywalker style lightsaber replica. So let's check it out. And it does come with a stand, which I thought the stand looked pretty cool in the photo. So MDAWoodwork has an Etsy store, and so they have this kind of custom display lightsaber, and they have, you know, some other kind of woodworking things too. All right, I'll just get this corner. Okay. Okay, so we got some tissue paper here. There's the stand. Let's look at the lightsaber hilt first. Alright, so here it is. Very nice finish. We've got the control box here. And all of these are going to be a little bit different because this is a handmade lightsaber by the seller. Definitely has a nice handmade feel. It's neat to see the different kind of wood pattern. All right, let's check out the stand now. Which the stand, you know, it's made out of wood, also has kind of a nice substantial weight to it. Okay, so here is the stand. And that's what it looks like. So, closer look at the stand. It's actually kind of asymmetrical, which is kind of a neat effect. So you can see the edge there. It, you know, it's not just kind of a boring sort of rectangular piece. It has a little more character. And just kind of, yeah, some of these angles to it. And certainly the wood grain to it also. And this, let's see, what is that made out of? I think it's metal. So, I mean, the neat thing about this too is you certainly have this hilt, but if you have a different lightsaber already, you could use the stand for that too. Now that looks pretty cool. So, all right, this is a first look at, this is an MDAWoodwork. It's listed as a wooden Luke Skywalker replica lightsaber, so this is a custom item, but it's really neat. It comes with both this lightsaber hilt and this stand here. So here it is, you guys, and feel free to comment below.